This is the packaging of Perifit. Each Perifit includes 2 pelvic floor contraction sensors, one in each ball, to help you strengthen your perineum while getting fast and permanent results. The white part has a button and an LED, which shows when the Perifit is switched on. For this first game, the aim is to catch the lotus flower and avoid the birds. Every lotus you catch gives you a point, and the goal is to score as many points as possible. To make pelvic floor rehabilitation more engaging and fun, the Perifit application allows you to play games by controlling the contractions of your perineum. Each game starts with a calibration step to make sure your Perifit is compatible with your current strength level. You simply have to contract your perineum, then relax it 3 times in a row. At the end of the calibration step, you can see your strength level for that day. You can also unlock other game designs, like the mountain, the pasture, or the countryside, or even popular games like Flappy Bird, so that your training never gets boring. Finally, you will be able to see your daily progress and stay motivated, as your pelvic floor statistics are easily viewed in the application. You also have access to insightful details about your perineum, as well as statistics to follow your progress in each particularity of your training. Perifit is the ideal solution if you want to strengthen your perineum quickly. Perifit, it's up to you.